Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Kids Fun Magic World. Friends, today our topic is essay on Guru Shishya Parampara in English. Guru Shishya Parampara, preserving the sacred bond of learning. India, with its cultural tapestry woven through centuries, has upheld the tradition of Guru Shishya Parampara with utmost reverence. This ancient practice embodies the profound relationship between a teacher, guru, and a student Shishya, transcending mere education to encompass spiritual guidance, moral grounding, and the preservation of knowledge. The Guru Shishya Parampara traces its origins to the Vedic age, where knowledge was imparted orally from teachers to disciple in an unbroken chain. This tradition became the cornerstone of Indian education system, influencing various disciplines such as philosophy, music, dance, medicine, and martial art. The relationship is not just about the transfer of information but involves a deep spiritual and emotional connection where the guru takes on the role of a mentor, guide, and often a parental figure to the shishya. Central to this tradition is the concept of Guru Dakshina, where the student, upon completing their education, offers a token of gratitude to the Guru, symbolizes respect and acknowledgement of the invaluable knowledge received. This exchange goes beyond material value, representing the spiritual depth the Shishya owes to their Guru. In classical Indian art like music and dance, the Guru Shishya Parampara is particularly revered. Legendary musicians and dancers have passed down their art form through generation, ensuring its purity and continuity. The personal attention and individualized instruction within this framework allows for the nurturing of talent in a way that textbook or modern method cannot replicate. Moreover, the Guru Shishya relationship extends beyond academic or artistic realms. It cultivates quality like humility, dedication, discipline, and respect within the Shishya. The Guru in turn learns patience, empathy, and the joy of imparting knowledge selflessly. Thus, this tradition fosters not just intellectual growth but also moral and emotional development, making it a holistic approach to education. However, in contemporary times, this tradition faces challenges. Modern education system prioritize standardized curricula, technological advancement, and institutionalized learning, often overlooking the personalized, intimate bond of the Guru Shishya Parampara. As a result, there is a risk of losing the depth and richness inherent in this ancient practice. Efforts are being made to preserve and promote the Guru Shishya Parampara. Cultural institutions, gurukuls, and dedicated individuals strive to keep their tradition alive by imparting knowledge in its traditional form. Initiatives are underway to integrate aspect of this parampara into mainstream education, recognizing its value in shaping well-rounded individuals who are not only knowledgeable but also spiritually grounded. In conclusion, the Guru Shishya Parampara stand as a testament to India's cultural heritage and wisdom. It is more than a method of teaching, it is a way of life that nurtures the soul while imparting knowledge. As we navigate the complexities of modernity, preserving this sacred bond ensures that future generations continue to benefit from its profound teaching. Let us cherish and uphold the Guru Shishya Parampara, ensuring that its light continues to illuminate the path of knowledge and wisdom for centuries to come. Thank you friends for watching my video. Friends, I hope you like my video. Friends, if you like my video, so please subscribe, share and comments. Bye friends. And this essay is also available in Hindi language. You can visit our channel page and watch. Bye friends.